Let us learn on how to illustrate measures of position for deciles. Deciles are the 9 values along the scale that divide a set of data into 10 equal parts. The deciles are denoted as first decile, second decile, third decile, up to the 9th decile. We can illustrate deciles in the same manner that quartiles were illustrated. However, we will describe deciles using the figure below. So you can see here are the illustration of the deciles. So first decile is 10% of the data has a value of less than or equal to the first decile. Second decile is 20% of the data has a value of less than or equal to second decile up to the 9th decile, which is 90% of the data has a value of less than or equal to the 9th decile. Let us use the illustration of deciles in our example number 1. This illustrates the scales in thousands of pesos of the 13 products sold by an online seller for the first quarter of the year. So you see here 2, so this stands for 2,000 pesos. So we have the first decile here, second decile is 3,000, third decile 4,000, fifth decile 6,000, sixth decile 7,000, and eighth decile for 8,000. So the second decile means that 20%. So 2, this is 20% of the scales or sales is equal to or less than 3,000 pesos. Third decile means that 30%. So 3 decile is equal to 30% of the sales is equal to or less than 4,000 pesos. Fifth decile means that 50% of the sales is equal to or less than 6,000 pesos. So this is our fifth decile. Sixth decile means that 60% of the sales is equal to or less than 7,000 pesos. The eighth decile means that 80% of the sales is equal to or less than 8,000 pesos. Next example, Miss Roberto gave an assessment to her students in mathematics. The 5.5th decile for the time it took to finish the test was 42 minutes. What does this mean? So we have here an illustration for our example number 2. So the 5.5 or 5.5 decile is in the 55% of the distribution. This means that 55% of the learners finish the test in 42 minutes or less. 45% of the students finish the test in 42 minutes or more. So 100% minus 55 is 45%. Of the students finish the test in 42 minutes or more. Example number 3. Martin bought an insurance from Company A. The market value of Company A is in the 7th decile. Of all the top insurance companies in the country. Should Martin be glad about this data or not? Explain your answer. Our answer is 70% of the top insurance companies in the country has a market value that is less than or equal to the market value of company A. So 7th decile, so 70%. So 100% minus 70%, so this is 30% of the top insurance companies in the country has a market value that is greater than or equal to the market value of company A. Martin should be pleased because the higher the market value means the higher the asset of a company. He made a wise decision in buying insurance from company A. So let us have our last example, number 4. During the school's annual health check for students, Kim found out from her BMI that she is in the 9th decile in height but in the 3rd decile in weight. What does this data tell Kim? Answer: according to the data, compared with other students her age, Kim is taller than 90% of them and weighed more than only 30% of them. We can also conclude that Kim is taller and thinner compared with most of the students in her school.